All right, happy Star Wars Day. Today, date in history, Star Wars 1977 was released in theaters. This is a Crimson Dawn Prowler handle, Proffie version 2. And today we're going to do the Leia font, okay?
Rey Skywalker.
No, not that one.
Leia.
Leia, okay? Leia's good. She's a rebel. She's the leader of the rebels. So she has a blue lightsaber. Now listen to this lightsaber. That background hum literally sounds like a hum of bees, doesn't it? Like a nest of bees. Isn't that great? Let's do a spin. I'm in a tight location here, so excuse me. Doesn't that sound awesome? Alright, so blaster deflect. Sounds like there's a ricochet almost. And then, of course, what you can do with this saber is you can press the button on blaster deflect and smack the handle. Wait. That's not it. How do you do that? Press and hold, smack the handle. Oh, I know what it is. You swing the saber, and then you press the button. And then, every time you swing the saber, it sounds like you're deflecting blaster fire. So, isn't that awesome? You got the smooth swing, you got the background hum, and you got the blaster fire all at the same time. And of course, you spin it. Awesome. And then in order to deactivate, you just press that button once. And get one more blaster effect, and now you're just normal sound. Alright, so flash on Clash. Pretty much the middle of the blade lights up. And then, you can clash and hold. So if you hold the button, you can hold the lock up as long as you want. And then let go. And then this saber has force effects. So what you can do is you press the button and you twist the saber. And it changes color and makes a noise. This one is pretty subtle. Doesn't really do much. Of course, there's always tip drag. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see the tip drag. You guys be able to? Go down. Yeah, tip drag. So you press the button in. Sometimes that happens.
Rey Skywalker.
No.
Leia.
Press the button and hit the floor. Huh. There you go. So I'm cutting a hole in the floor. Gonna cut a hole and jump down one level. And then also you have the same thing with the wall. You can do the cutting. You hold it level, press the button. And it looks like you're cutting through the wall. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, well if you have any questions about this font, let me know. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. And it reminds me of Princess Leia. And yeah, we don't get to see Leia use her saber very much, but this font is super cool. And of course we're going to retract now. So press and hold until it retracts. It sounds very much like Luke's, doesn't it? When it retracts. It's a little bit of that pew that like Luke's original blue, the Rey, Luke, Anakin saber, the Graphics has a lot of that same sound effect. Alright, happy Star Wars Day. Smash like for me, that helps me super much. And have a great day. Of course, if you have any questions, put them in the comments. And subscribe if you want to see more. May the Force be with you. Do something nice for somebody and don't get caught.